Okay, so for the past, I don't know, 3, 4 months, I'm in a court battle, family, and that's the reason why I've got no videos for my channel. But I'm in at $68,000 in court costs right now. So I'm kind of stressing out. So in the last, I don't know, 2 months, our refrigerator went out, and then our washer and dryer went out. And here we have a refrigerator that my grandmother bought probably back in, I don't know, 70s, early 80s. And the only thing wrong with it is that the door hinges broke. And that's it. Still keeps cold, still gets frozen. This one I bought it before I went to Iraq back in 2006, 7. And the thing just took a shit. And the fuses are good. They have bad compressors. They just burn out. So I don't recommend buying LG, because that's what this is, LG. It's just a piece of shit. So hopefully my court and case will be over in the next 2 months. So please bear with me. Thank you much.